There's our culprit. Yeah. See if they changed it. It's been updated. Hopefully fixed it. A lot of times you have to take the manifold back to get the oil filter housing. This bore right here is underneath the manifold, so at least pull it back. This leaks all the time, so this is a common repair. This is what you don't want to see. Shit falling down the valves. Yeah. Looking there, you see the valves, kind of nasty. Not too bad. There's a walnut blasting repair for that. But yeah, not too bad. We'll get her going. Alright, so we put a starter in the sink, but figured I'd bench test this, show you how to bench test it, and show you what goes wrong with it. So here you go. So you can ground it. You can hook down to a battery down there. And then you got to jump the solenoid. Yeah, see, this one won't even engage now. See, we got a little turning out of it, that kind of. Yeah, see, we got a little bit. A lot of times you can just bang on them with a hammer, and you might get one more start out of them. Problem is they're under the intake manifold, so you got to reach down with a pry bar or something, bang on it with a hammer, and you might be able to start the car one time, but it's common on these. This one's an N52 and an N55. Pretty much everything that's a 6-cylinder. But yeah, that's it.